Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a serious upgrade for laptops, the G.Skill Ripjaws 64GB DDR5 SODIMM kit. Specifically, we're looking at the 2x32GB configuration running at a blazing 5600MHz. If you're a gamer, content creator, or anyone pushing their laptop to the limit, this memory kit might be exactly what you need. First impressions are always important, and G.Skill doesn't disappoint. The modules themselves look sleek and well-built, which is reassuring. But let's get to what really matters, performance. This Ripjaws kit is DDR5, which is a significant leap over DDR4 in terms of speed and bandwidth. The 5600MHz speed is seriously impressive for a SODIMM kit, meaning it's designed for laptops. This translates to faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive system. The 64GB capacity is also a huge selling point. With 64GB, you can comfortably run multiple demanding applications simultaneously, handle large datasets, and future-proof your laptop for years to come. For content creators, this means smoother video editing, faster rendering, and the ability to work with larger files without slowdowns. Gamers will appreciate the extra headroom for running demanding games at higher settings, as well as smoother streaming experiences. Installation is straightforward, as it is with most SODIMM modules. Simply locate the memory slots in your laptop, remove the old modules, if any, and insert the G.Skill Ripjaws modules. Make sure they click into place properly. Of course, always consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. In testing, the difference between this kit and a standard 16GB or 32GB DDR4 kit was noticeable. Applications launched faster, multitasking was smoother, and overall system responsiveness improved significantly. In gaming, frame rates were more stable, and stuttering was reduced. Video editing and rendering times also saw a considerable decrease. Of course, the performance gains will vary depending on your specific laptop and workload. However, if you're currently running a lower capacity or slower speed memory kit, you can expect to see a significant improvement with the G.Skill Ripjaws 64GB DDR5 kit. One thing to keep in mind is compatibility. Make sure your laptop supports DDR5 memory and the 5600MHz speed before purchasing this kit. Check your laptop's specifications or consult the manufacturer's website. Overall, the G.Skill Ripjaws 64GB DDR5 SODIMM kit is a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking to boost their laptop's performance. The high speed, large capacity, and reliable build quality make it a worthwhile investment for gamers, content creators, and power users alike. If you're looking for the best possible memory upgrade for your laptop, the G.Skill Ripjaws DDR5 SODIMM kit should definitely be on your radar.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.